Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Learn with Dr. Ibra. Today I have another Excel tip for you. If you have a raw data and you want to convert into a specific format, so doing this one entry at a time can be a very consuming. Like if I want to add a hyphen after each four digits, like this. So if I have to do this separately for each entry, that will be a very time consuming and it will be a very hectic job, but you can format your entire sheet in just few clicks. So how we can do that? Let's get started. Suppose I have this data sheet, and in this data sheet I want to add a hyphen after every four digits. So first I need to select the data sheet, required data sheet. Then I will press Control plus 1 so to open a format cell dialog box. So here I will choose the custom. In once I'll choose the custom category, now I can enter the format code that I need, that I required. For example, as I said, I want to add a hyphen after every four digits. So I'll click here, I'll write four digits, then I'll click hyphen, then again four digits, I'll click on hyphen, four digits, hyphen, and four digits. So after that, I'll just press enter, or you can click hit here. Okay. So in this format, you can see the whole data sheet is converted as I required a hyphen after every four digits. So this will apply the desired format to your entire selection very efficiently. So if you like the video, just thumbs up to the video and subscribe to the channel for more informative videos.